In this video, I am going to show you how to increase a variable value using a Python increment operator. Now, first what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a program to increase this count variable without using a Python increment operator. Then later I'm going to rewrite the same program by using a Python increment operator. Let's write the code first. First, I created a variable called count, and if you see, I give a equal to. When we give a equal to, we are assigning the value to the variable. Hope I am clear. Now my count variable value is 1. Now what I want is I want to increase this count variable value as a 3. Let's write the code. First, I am calling the count variable. Once I wrote the code, I will press count plus 2. Then within a print function, I am printing the count variable. Let's trace this code before executing the program. First, our Python interpreter execute our Python program line by line. While executing the first line of our program, first it will execute the right side of my assignment operator. This equal to is known as assignment operator. First it will execute the right side of my assignment operator. The one will stored in our RAM. Then here we give a equal to. When I give a equal to, now we are assigning the one value to my count variable. The current value of count is 1. Once the first line executed, next my Python interpreter execute the second line. While executing the second line, first it will execute the right side of my assignment operator. What is the current value of count? 1. Here I did the addition operation. 1 plus 2, we will get a result as a 3. Then using a equal to operator, I am assigning the result value 3 to my count variable. I am assigning the 3 value to my count variable. Now the current count variable value is 3, and within a print function I printed the count variable so that the current value of count is 3. In my output console, the 3 will print. Let's execute this code. And if you see, the 3 got printed. Just a minute. You see, the 3 got printed. Now, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this line using a increment operator. I'm going to rewrite this second line using a Python increment operator to increase our count value. This is our increment operator. Plus equal to. I need to do an addition operation, so that plus and equal to. And now I want to add a 2 value with my existing value. What is the current value of count? 1. And I want to add 2 with my existing value, so that I am giving my new value. Now what will happen means the current value of count is, while executing the first line, the count value is 1. Then while executing the second line, first it will execute the addition operation. What is the current value of count? 1. 1 plus 2, we will get a result as a 3. Then this equal to operator will activate. The 3 result will assign to my count variable by using equal to. Hope I am clear. First, the addition operation will happen. After addition operation, we will get 3 as the result. Then using this assignment operator, we are assigning the 3 value to the count variable. Now my current count variable value is 3, and within a print function, I printed the count so that in my output console, the 3 will print. Let's execute this code. And if you see, the 3 got printed. Hope I am clear.